If we have expression 5 minus open parentheses, 44 divided by 11 multiplied by 2 close parentheses multiplied by 2 squared, then what is the correct answer to this question? A lot of people, when attempting to solve this expression, immediately focus on the operations inside the parentheses. They begin with a division between 44 and 11. So, instead of the original expression, they rewrite it as 5 minus open parentheses for multiplied by 2 close parentheses multiplied by 2 squared. In the following step, they perform a multiplication between 4 and 2 and simplify the expression to 5 minus 8 multiplied by 2 squared. After that, they incorrectly move to the subtraction between 5 and 8 before handling the exponent. So, instead of following the correct order of operations, they write negative 3 multiplied by 2 squared. Finally, they calculate the exponent, rewriting the expression as negative 3 multiplied by 4, which leads them to the final answer of negative 12. However, this answer is completely incorrect. On the other hand, some people approach the same problem differently. They still begin with the expression inside the parentheses, but this time they incorrectly believe multiplication should be done before division. Because of that misunderstanding, they first multiply 11 by 2 and rewrite the expression as 5 minus open parentheses 44 divided by 22 close parentheses multiplied by 2 squared. In the next step, they divide 44 by 22 and simplify the equation to 5 minus 2 multiplied by 2 squared. Then they correctly evaluate the exponent and rewrite the expression as 5 minus 2 multiplied by 4. Finally, because they know multiplication comes before subtraction, they multiply 2 by 4 and get 5 minus 8, which gives them the final answer of negative 3. Unfortunately, this answer is also wrong. Now let us solve the expression properly using the PEMDAS rule. In this rule, the letter P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. Looking carefully at the expression, we first notice the subtraction sign, then the parentheses, followed by multiplication, and finally the exponent. According to PEMDAS, the first operation we must handle is the expression inside the parentheses, because parentheses have the highest priority. Inside the parentheses, we have a division followed by a multiplication. It is extremely important to understand that multiplication and division share the same level of priority, so we must solve them from left to right. Therefore, we first divide 44 by 11, which gives us 4. The expression now becomes 5 minus open parentheses for multiplied by 2 close parentheses multiplied by 2 squared. Next, we multiply 4 by 2, which gives us 8. So the expression becomes 5 minus 8 multiplied by 2 squared. After completing the operations inside the parentheses, we move to the exponent because exponents have a higher priority than multiplication and subtraction. 2 squared equals 4. So we rewrite the expression as 5 minus 8 multiplied by 4. Finally, multiplication has a higher priority than subtraction, so we multiply 8 by 4 to get 32. The expression now becomes 5 minus 32, which gives us the correct final answer of negative 27. All right, now let us solve another mathematical expression together. What is the value of 6 squared plus 30 divided by 6 multiplied by 5? Many people start solving this expression by correctly evaluating the exponent first. So they rewrite the equation as 36 plus 30 divided by 6 multiplied by 5. However, in the next step, they make a mistake by adding 36 and 30 together before dealing with the division and multiplication. Because of that, they rewrite the equation as 66 divided by 6 multiplied by 5. Then they divide 66 by 6, obtaining 11, and finally multiply 11 by 5 to get 55. Although this solution may seem convincing at first glance, the answer is actually incorrect. Some other people also begin by evaluating the exponent correctly, rewriting the expression as 36 plus 30 divided by 6 multiplied by 5. But then they incorrectly believe multiplication must always come before division. Because of that misunderstanding, they multiply 6 by 5 first and rewrite the expression as 36 plus 30 divided by 30. Then they divide 30 by 30 to obtain 1, giving them 36 plus 1, which results in 37. However, this answer is also absolutely wrong. To solve this problem correctly, we must once again follow the PEMDAS rule carefully. First, we calculate the exponent because exponents have a higher priority than the other operations in the expression. 6 squared equals 36, so the equation becomes 36 plus 30, divided by 6 multiplied by 5. Next, we move to division and multiplication because they both have a higher priority than addition. It is very important to remember that multiplication and division have equal precedence, meaning we must solve them from left to right. Therefore, we first divide 30 by 6, which gives us 5. The expression now becomes 36 plus 5 multiplied by 5. After that, we multiply 5 by 5 to get 25. The equation is now 36 plus 25, which finally gives us the correct answer of 61. All right, let's solve one final expression together. What is the value of 5 plus 45 divided by 5 multiplied by open parentheses 7 plus 2 close parentheses? Many people solving this problem immediately begin with the addition between 5 and 45. Because of that mistake, they rewrite the expression as 50 divided by 5 multiplied by open parentheses 7 plus 2 close parentheses. In the next step, they divide 50 by 5 and obtain 10. So the equation becomes 10 multiplied by open parentheses 7 plus 2 close parentheses. Finally, they solve the expression inside the parentheses and rewrite it as 10 multiplied by 9, which gives them a final answer of 90. However, this answer is incorrect because they ignored the correct order of operations at the beginning. Some other people approach the problem differently. They correctly notice that parentheses should be solved first, so they rewrite the equation as 5 plus 45 divided by 5 multiplied by 9. But then they incorrectly think multiplication must be performed before division. Because of that misunderstanding, they multiply 5 by 9 first and rewrite the equation as 5 plus 45 divided by 45. In the final step, they divide 45 by 45 and obtain 1, giving them 5 plus 1, which results in 6. Unfortunately, this answer is also wrong. To solve this expression correctly, we must carefully follow PEMDAS step by step. First, we solve the expression inside the parentheses because parentheses have the highest priority. 7 plus 2 equals 9, so the equation becomes 5 plus 45 divided by 5 multiplied by 9. Next, we move to division and multiplication because both operations have higher priority than addition. It is very important to remember that multiplication and division have equal precedence, which means we must solve them from left to right. Therefore, we first divide 45 by 5, which gives us 9. The equation now becomes 5 plus 9 multiplied by 9. After that, multiplication comes before addition, so we multiply 9 by 9 to get 81. Finally, we add 5 and 81 together, which gives us the correct final answer of 86.